Enjoy the comfort of cotton and the durability of polyester with COVERKING's custom Polycotton seat covers, available in multiple colors. COVERKING custom seat covers boast many innovative and exclusive features, including a perfect fit guaranteed, custom tailored specifically for your seat row for an unbeatable look, including matching OEM seat seams, standard map pockets, integrated full-width seat back storage pockets, seat functions preserved, engineered around your seat row's features such as folding, sliding armrests, airbags, and climate control. Tough yet comfortable. Very soft and breathable fabric, repels stains and is easy to maintain. Non-slip membrane. Included traction pads keep seat cover bottom securely in place during use. Quick installation. Individual slip covers slide over your seats and Velcro, buckle, or zipper in place. Quality hardware. Purpose-built straps and buckles, Velcro, and YKK brand zippers. Protective barrier. Shield your seats from wear, stains, UV rays, and more. Consoles covered. Center seats that fold down into a console are covered to match the row. Installation kit. Everything you need for a smooth and safe installation, including a proprietary installation tool and protective gear. Installation videos. Vehicle-specific, step-by-step instructional videos available for your convenience. All backed by a 30-day return policy, industry-leading 2-year warranty, plus COVERKING's lifetime repair program. Made to order in California by a staff devoted to quality and precision. Protect and enhance your car, truck, or SUV today with COVERKING's custom Polycotton seat covers.